To take photos using your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is fairly simple. You're going to begin by navigating to the app screen on your watch, and then you're going to look for the camera app that should be around here. When you find it, go ahead and select it, and it should now launch the camera app on your phone. But before it does that, you will need to give it necessary permissions, so go ahead and give it, and then you should be able to see the camera app being launched and a preview. So now the preview is here available on your watch. So your phone can be in any position that you want. And depending on wherever it is that you've put it, you should be able to see a preview of what exactly it is seeing. So if you decide you want to take a photo, you can just press on the shutter button like so, and a countdown timer will appear and then it will take the image. You can choose to change the timer, you can choose to turn it off, switch it back on, and those are the two options available. So you can turn it off or have a 3-second timer. You can also choose to switch to video mode, and then from here you can go ahead and record. You can switch back to photo mode if you decide to. And if you ever want to see the photos that you've taken, you can go ahead and view them in the previews here and see how the photo looks like. The images will also be saved on your phone itself. So you can go ahead and open up the gallery app and you should be able to see the image right there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.